Hello besties, today we're doing a sponge art tumbler tutorial with alcohol inks. But before then, let me welcome you to our YouTube channel, Misfit Makers Besties. Make sure you follow us on all social media platforms and don't forget to click that subscribe button so you will be notified of any new content. Also, check out our website and our Patreon. Okay, let's get started. I am using a wine tumbler and I'm going to paint it with pop of color in the color pure white. You can also spray paint your tumbler if you prefer, but I am going to paint it because it's super cold outside and windy. So we're going to give it 2 coats of pop of color, making sure that it dries between each coat. Make sure that each coat of paint is very dry before you go into the next one. After my paint dries, I'm going to put a thin coat of UV resin. I'm going to use this as my adhesive for my glitter. So very little goes a long way. As you see, I just put like a little quarter size amount of UV and I'm going to spread it very thinly. This should not require you to spin your tumbler at all. So apply it with a gloved hand and put it all over your tumbler. Now I'm going to grab some glitter, the color Karen from the Glitter Guy. I used a nice opal because I like how they shine through alcohol ink. So I am going to apply my glitter. I'm going to let it cure until it's nice and adhered to my tumbler. And then I'm going to put a coat of fast set epoxy over my whole tumbler to have a nice smooth surface. As you see here, I already have a smooth surface of epoxy. I'm going to lightly sand it. You want a nice sand off any high spots. And then we're going to go for the fun part. Grab a nice sponge. I got these from the Dollar Tree and I am using alcohol inks from Crafty Cow. And I've picked out like a purple, a pink, and a blue. That is my go-to color palette. As you saw in the initial picture, I also made one in orange and pink and yellow. So if you want to check out that tutorial, that was done live in our mentorship group. So I'm going to take this sponge, little sponge pieces, and I am going to do just different spots of colors. So I'm going to start off with my purple and then my pink and my blue, and I'm just going to make little blobs. Don't worry about the gaps yet. Don't worry about any of that. Just make sure that you have enough room to put all your colors. After this, then you want to start working on those gaps. You want to make sure that you pick colors that are going to blend well because they are going to eventually touch. So when they touch, you want them to form a beautiful color. That's why these are my like go-to safe colors. So if you are new to alcohol inks, use these colors and I promise any combination of these will work amazing. So as you see here, now I'm taking different colors and filling out the gaps of the opposite. So pink on purple or pink on blue or blue on purple, just to fill out all the gaps. See how I'm doing here? Just kind of going around layering. Alcohol inks are super forgiving and they make for a great result. Look at this. Look at this. Look how cute it is. After it dries, then you want to put a coat of epoxy or UV resin to make it nice and smooth. Look how beautiful. I love how the opal glitter shines through the alcohol inks and just makes it look super cool. Okay, so next I picked out this decal that says Bad Moms Club. You gotta be careful not to be like me and pick out a decal that is too big when it's a curved cup. Wine tumblers always try to haze me, but here I am trying to get any of those wrinkles out and smooth them out. After you apply epoxy, you won't be able to see them. This decal is from Vinyl Fun for Everyone, and it's perfect for the design. However, it was just a tad bit too big, but you see here, I'm working it out, and I promise you after the epoxy's on here, it's going to look perfect. So here it is, all completed with my final coat of epoxy. I use CCDIY epoxy, artist resin, and look how beautiful. If you want to check out the orange and pink one, go check out our mentorship group. I hope this inspired you to try sponge art. Super easy, super fun, And thank you so much for all your support. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for any future videos. See you guys next week.